How to cancel YouTube premium subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to cancel your YouTube premium subscription. Whether you're looking to end your subscription or just cancel a free trial, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up a YouTube. So first, let me tell you that YouTube Premium is fantastic for those who love ad-free viewing, background listening, and offline downloads. But if you have decided it's not for you, then canceling is super easy. For that, you'll need to go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to the gear icon on the top right, and here you'll find purchases and memberships. Go ahead and tap on it and your YouTube premium subscription will appear here. So uh, you'll need to tap on your active YouTube premium subscription, and there you'll be able to see the cancel option. So mm, it will ask you if you want to cancel or just pause the subscription. You can tap on continue to cancel and then confirm it, and that's it. Your membership will be canceled. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.